How you doing? This is for the SUNSUN HW5000. The valves. They're really bad. Cheap plastic, and they leak like crazy. Well, Simon, you know Simon, my fish guy, who fixes my tanks and helps me out all the time. He came over and he helped me cleaning all the filters. So this is what it is. Now what we did, right, is this clip, you push it down, right, in the center, and then you push it in like that. Now, the problem is with these ones here, is the rubbers, it's one piece. And you clean it out like this. I'm trying to do this in the film. I want to get underneath it. If I can get underneath it, then I can pry it up. No, not yet. I can pry it. I got it there. Now, see? I'm going to bring it back now. So I'm bringing the washers back slowly. Be careful, because you cannot get this washer again. So if this breaks or rips, you're out of luck. You'll have to make your own mechanism. I hope you're seeing me in this. Usually Julia's here helping me, but she's working, and I really could have used her help, but this time I'm doing it. So now I'm cleaning this out of debris, and there was some debris in it. Now you see that you see here, that's where the washer, that's where you put the O-ring. Starts here and goes in. Now I get the O-ring out, and I'm going to clean it all off. And she's still flexible. She's got good flexibility in it. But what I'm going to do is get my secret weapon out, which I use all the time. Vaseline. And I'm going to, more Vaseline. I'm going to put more Vaseline on it, and I'm going to lube it all up really nicely. So she's lubed, right, like this. As you can see, I'm lubing. I know, and then this is nice and clean. I'm going to lube it. I'm going to lube it here, all around here, lube it in here, lube it here. We know the washers are, it's already been lubed up more, but it's not going to hurt it. Right, and I'm going to lube inside here. It won't hurt the fish's Vaseline, right? And it's not going to hurt anything. Now, I put this on like this again. This has got to go on first. So we put this one on first. Oh, she's a little stiff. And then we move her over to this one. Oh, come on, you can do it. As I said, if I rip it, or if it gets a tear, right, then I'm out of luck. But so far, this is a year old, and I don't know if you can get these ever again. I've never seen any brand new SUNSUN HW5000 for sale. So I think they stopped the market. They were having a lot of problems. Not like serious problems. Now I bring it over to here, right? I bring this back down here, put this here, and I lube it, push it around like that. And she's lubed up, and let's hope she doesn't leak again. She was leaking bad. So he's going to put it back together because he took it apart. He took this clip. Yeah. Well, here, actually, I'll just turn. Let me see you in the camera. Are you in the camera yet? Yeah, okay, good. So they are fixable, but they're not going to, if you break the ring, you'll have to get a ring for the outside, inside. You won't get one for the middle. So if you do break it by accident, right, then you're in trouble. But right now, why is she so tight? So tight, real tight, real good. That means that the Vaseline and pulling it apart and giving it a bit of a stretch, it helped it 1000%. So that's how you fix these valves from the SUNSUN HW5000. And that's where the clip is. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Another problem solved by Tommy Tanks. Hit the little button to stop it.